Yeah, hi everyone. So welcome to our YouTube channel Tech Talk with Kiran. So initially we discussed about what is RESTful web services and overall. So in this video we'll discuss about the example with the simple example how the RESTful web services will work. So I'm using the Spring STS IDE. You can use Eclipse or IntelliJ. So why I'm using is initially it contains inbuilt Spring Boot initializer. So for adding the dependencies, so that is the reason I'm using the STS. So I'm using the Spring Starter project selecting. So let me give Spring REST web services. Okay, say next. So let me add Spring Web dependency, Spring Web Dev Tools, Spring Web Dev Tools I'm adding, and yeah, that's it for Spring Web. So click on next, click on finish. So the project is importing. It will take time. Once it is importing, we can start the application. Default by default the port is 8080. So yeah, the project is created. Yeah, this is the application. Okay, let's check that application is running or not. Okay, right click the project and run as Spring Boot app. So the application is started. So we have by default the Spring Boot version is 3.3.4. It's coming. So the application is started. Yeah, you can see the message of the application and the port is 8080. So the Tomcat is the embedded default port. Okay, so let me create a simple package. Yeah, let me create a class in the different package. Okay, let me create a class. I'm creating a package under controllers package. I'm creating a hello world controller. Finish. Yeah, so this is the controller, right? So in the Spring Boot we can specify the controller with @REST controller annotation. So all the requests which you are send, it will come to this endpoint. At controller endpoint is the entry point. The request dispatcher servlet will dispatch the endpoints, so based on the URI. Okay, so let me take a very simple example. Public string get message. Just I am returning a simple string. Welcome to RESTful web services. Okay, how you can access this web services through the browser? So you can use an annotation called get mapping. I'm importing the package. Okay, yeah, so the application is started. Okay, let me open the browser window. It was started in the port 8080, http colon localhost 8080. See, the welcome to the RESTful web services. Okay, if you change anything, welcome to the RESTful web services world. it will automatically compile because we added the dependency of dev tools, spring boot dev tools. So that is advantages. Without restarting the server, it will compile and it will start at the server again. If you refresh this, see, welcome to the RESTful web services. Yeah, this is the simple example. So how we can create the REST endpoints. Okay, so let me add this welcome. So if you go here, see, it will give the white label page error. So because there is no endpoint starts with this slash, so because of that the Spring is not able to identify that URI. The REST endpoint is not there, so that is the reason we are getting the white label error page. So this is not the correct thing. So we should handle this white page error page if no endpoint is matching with that URI. So we should to display the custom message that will be discussed in the later. Okay, so let me add the same welcome. See, welcome to the RESTful web services. Yeah, yeah, this is the simple example. So next we will discuss about, instead of sending the string, we can sending an object. Okay, we can test in the postman as well. I'll show you in the next video. Thank you. Jai Hind.